Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making for you all a Tuscan chicken pasta. This one is going to be super simple to put together and it's going to be so yummy. So let's jump into this. Let me show you how easy this one is to make. I know I've been missing for a while and I'm back in the kitchen. So we're going to start with one large chicken breast, or you can use chicken thigh. You want to use boneless, skinless. We're going to season that with garlic and herb seasoning and some salt. Now give this a mix. Does not have to marinate for very long. We're just going to set this aside and place a skillet on medium heat, and to that skillet we'll add in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. I really want to control the amount of salt in this recipe, hence the reason why I'm using unsalted butter. Next I'm going to go in with my seasoned chicken. Now this chicken, the pieces are cut very small, so it's not going to take very long to cook. So just give that a mix and then we'll start adding in the rest of ingredients. In goes sliced mushrooms. I'm using baby bellas here. You can use button, use any type of mushrooms that you have on hand. Give that a mix and allow it to cook for about 1 minute. And next we're going to add in some fresh chopped spinach, some sliced olives, and some chopped sun-dried tomatoes that were packed in oil. Toss. And just as the spinach starts to wilt, we're going to add in heavy cream. Now I'm going shy on the heavy cream. You can add more if you wanted it richer. And a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. You can add more cheese if you want it cheesier. I'm just trying to make it a balanced meal with not overdoing any of those ingredients. So I'm just gonna mix that. Once the cheese has been melted in there, we're going to add in cooked penne pasta. I like using mini penne pasta. I cooked it shy of al dente because I'm adding in a quarter cup of pasta water, and it's going to continue to cook here. The reason why I'm doing it like this is because that pasta will absorb all of the flavors from in the chicken. So once it's done, you can taste and adjust your salt, and then it's ready to be served. So once you're serving it, you can garnish with some extra Parmesan cheese, but just look how delicious this is. It was very tasty and everyone enjoyed it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Try it. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for joining me. Please feel free to email me if you have any questions. Tag me on Instagram so I can repost your videos or your photos once you have a public account. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.